Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for graphic design templates, business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, so as you see, you can start with Chat AI. So it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. You have just to answer the questions that's gonna ask you, and you can set up your website easily and quickly. And also you can set up without AI, so you can go to basic setup. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. So let's get started. Okay, now you have to answer or search on your business type for your business type. Okay, now you can select your business type. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Add your business website, your business name. If you wanna add something to your website, you can add a page or sections. You can skip all this and customize it later. Now let's continue to dashboard. Okay, now let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you or customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna start from here. So let's get started. Okay, as you see now, you can add your information. You can add the name and the email, the address, the phone, and also you can add the social link. So let's move on. Now you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. So you can try your best to make your site look structured. So don't forget the simple details like the themes and like the fonts and like the colors. It's more important to make your site look structured and attract more customers to your website. Okay, now wait a few seconds. Now you're gonna pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, now you can pick your favorite homepage design. I'm gonna pick this one right here. Now you can add pages to your site if you want, and you can skip all this and customize them later. Now your site is ready, so this is the editor page. So for example, if you want to add elements, you can add the sections, you can manage pages and menus, you can design your site, you can add apps, manage your business. For example, if you want to add elements, you can start from the text, the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, and text mask. Also, if you want to upload images or import images, you can explore images free from Wix, free Wix illustrations. Also, you can customize the theme buttons, the text and the icon buttons, the image buttons. Here you can customize the decorators, the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. If you wanna add something new, you can add section from here. For example, you can select whatever you like. You can select the style and the type, whatever you like from here, and you can put it on your editor page. Also, if you want to customize and design your site, you can customize your site design, the color theme, the text theme, the page background, the page transitions. So let's move on to the editor page. So here you can do a quick edit. For example, this the header section. You can, for example, if you want to edit the site name, you can change the strip background. Also you can manage the menu. Now let's move on to the next section, the welcome section. You can change the section background, the strip background. You can change the image. Also you can change the paragraphs. Okay, so if you want to change, for example, this one, just click on it, create a text. You can describe what you want in your text. You can just select the type of this section. For example, this is the welcome section. You have to insert information to include here, and it's gonna create it for you. Now you can make it shorter. You can generate another one. So that's it. Also, if you wanna edit the text, you can edit it from here. You can just select the style and the font you like. Okay, now let's move on to the next section. This is the gallery section. The same thing as normal. If you want to change the text and the title right here, whatever you like, you can manage media. So this is the features section. Also, if you want to change whatever you like from here, you can change the text. Just describe what you want in your text, and the AI gonna create it for you. Now if you want to change this image right here, just click on it and change image, and you can search on the image. Now you can just search whatever you like from here. So as you see now, you can select your business, your favorite one. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one right here. So that's it. This is the last section here, the footer section. So you have just to edit the email and the company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. Also, you can save your section from here, your editor page. Okay, so after this, if you want to publish your website, you can just publish it from here. Now you can start selling and you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.